a student is doing a titration of a 50 ml of methylamine solution with HCl. The equivalence point of the titration is reached this. Okay. And Kb also given. So we have to calculate pH. Okay. So when this CH3NH2 is reacting with the HCl, then we will get salt plus Cl minus, right? It is the base plus acid. So mole of the acid. Okay, so equivalent at the equivalence point, we have to calculate first molarity of the base. So M1V1 equal to M2V2. Molarity of the base we have to calculate, and M2V2. M2 is given